Welcome to Nuer Tube. I have a breaking news for you. This breaking news happened in South Sudan today. They say South Sudan World Food Program plan nearly crashed after landing gear fell off. In a terrifying incident, a World Food Program WFP plan narrowly avoided a disaster after its landing gear fell off shortly after taking off from Ban County, South Sudan, en route to Malakal in Upper Nile State. The aircraft was carrying approximately 34 passengers, including crew members. Despite the critical situation, the skilled pilot managed to safely land the plane on water near Malakal. All passengers and crew members that were on board escaped with only minor injuries, and everyone is safe and sound. Emergency responder quickly arrived on the scene to assist, and authorities are currently investigating the cause of the malfunctioning. Well, this is the second plan. Yesterday, one of the cargo plane in South Sudan crashed as well. This plane that crashed also, the passengers and the pilot also escaped the same way. None of the people get hurt, so it was just minor injuries also. This is the second plane that crashed in South Sudan today. So that is the breaking news that we have in South Sudan concerning the World Food Program plan that crashed while it just fell up when taking off from Ban County to Malakal, Upper Nile State, where it landed in the water safely. So that's just what happened. Thank you for listening. If you are new to this channel, subscribe and share it with others. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.